Our self-image is the mental picture we hold of ourselves. It shapes how we see our abilities, our worth, and our place in the world. It influences our decisions, our relationships, and even our happiness. A positive self-image can empower us to embrace challenges and live authentically. Conversely, a negative self-image can hold us back, fueling self-doubt and fear. It's vital to understand the power of our self-image because it has a ripple effect on every aspect of our lives. Think of your self-image as a garden. If you nurture it with positive thoughts and beliefs, it will flourish. But if you let negative self-talk take root, it can choke your growth. We all have the power to choose what we plant in our minds. We can cultivate a self-image that empowers us to live our best lives. It starts with recognizing the negative thoughts that hold us back and replacing them with positive affirmations. Negative self-talk is that inner voice that whispers doubts and criticisms. It can manifest in many ways, from harsh self-judgment to constant comparisons with others. We might tell ourselves we're not good enough, smart enough, or attractive enough. These negative thoughts can become deeply ingrained, creating a self-fulfilling prophecy. We start to believe the lies we tell ourselves, and our actions reflect this diminished self-perception. Imagine this. You're about to give a presentation at work. Suddenly your heart races. You feel a knot in your stomach. Your inner critic pipes up. You're going to mess this up. Everyone will think you're incompetent. These negative thoughts can sabotage your performance, leading to anxiety and self-sabotage. Recognizing negative self-talk is the first step to breaking free from its grip. Start paying attention to your inner dialogue. Become aware of the patterns and triggers that set off these negative thought spirals. Once you've identified your negative self-talk patterns, it's time to challenge them. Don't just accept these thoughts as truth. Ask yourself, is this thought really true? What evidence do I have to support this belief? Often you'll find that these negative thoughts are based on fear or past experiences, not on reality. Imagine you catch yourself thinking, I'm such a failure. Challenge this thought by asking, what defines failure? Have I really failed at everything I've ever attempted? The truth is, everyone makes mistakes. It's how we learn and grow. Instead of dwelling on perceived failures, focus on your accomplishments and resilience. Reframe your thinking to focus on growth and learning rather than perfection. Section 4. Positive affirmations. Speaking life into your self-image. Positive affirmations are powerful statements that can help reprogram your subconscious mind. By repeating affirmations regularly, you can begin to replace negative self-talk with empowering beliefs. Choose affirmations that resonate with you and align with your goals. Instead of saying, I'm not good enough, try affirming, I am worthy and deserving of love and respect. Instead of, I'm a failure, try, I am resilient and capable of overcoming challenges. Write your affirmations down and place them where you'll see them daily. Repeat them out loud, especially when you notice negative self-talk creeping in. Consistency is key. The more you reinforce positive beliefs, the more deeply they'll take root. Section 5. Actionable steps, cultivating a positive self-image. Cultivating a positive self-image is an ongoing journey, not a destination. It requires conscious effort and self-compassion. Here are some practical steps you can take. Practice gratitude. Focus on the good in your life. Each day, write down 3 things you're grateful for. Celebrate your successes. Acknowledge your accomplishments, no matter how small they may seem. Surround yourself with positivity. Spend time with people who uplift and inspire you. Take care of yourself. Make time for self-care activities that nourish your mind, body, and spirit. Remember, you are worthy of love, respect, and happiness. Believe in yourself and your ability to create a life you love. It starts with nurturing a positive self-image. Section 6. Maintaining momentum. Nurturing your newfound confidence. Transforming your self-image is a journey, not a destination. There will be ups and downs along the way. The key is to stay committed to the process and to be kind to yourself, especially when you stumble. Remember that setbacks are opportunities for growth. When negative thoughts resurface, acknowledge them without judgment and then gently guide your mind back to your positive affirmations. Continue to practice self-care, gratitude, and positive self-talk. Surround yourself with a supportive community and celebrate your progress along the way. You are capable of amazing things. Believe in yourself and watch your life transform.